Drilling in hard-to-reach areas? Introducing the Nova 90-degree angle drill. The industry's bestseller is a must-have for all mechanics. Designed to accept 1/4 28 threaded angle bits, this tool is engineered for versatility, precision, and control. With a 1/4 inch capacity and a 360-degree rotatable angle head, operators can easily adjust the drill for superior handling. Pan American Tools NAS 965 threaded drills attach effortlessly, making them the perfect complement to the Nova 90-degree angle drill. The motor housing is milled from a solid bar for precision motor alignment. The Nova 90-degree angle drill is engineered for drilling in those hard-to-reach spaces. Engineered for professionals. Get the job done right every time with Nova pneumatic tools. Upgrade your toolbox today. Shop online at panamericantool.com.